friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm so glad you stopped by to see what I am up to today. And today I have shopped my house for a few items to decorate this tablescape with. Today we're going to be using some wood elements, some metal elements, and some black elements. So this is what I've come up with. Make sure before you leave to hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and hit the bell to be reminded every time I upload. Now let's get started. I'm starting out with a simple linen table runner as a base for my tablescape. I'm adding this dough bowl to the middle of the table as a centerpiece with some old kitchen items inside. I'm adding some beautiful wooden boards to either side of the dough bowl. I'm adding this old cheese box that was gifted to me, and it was from 1948. I thought I would use that as one of my black elements. I'm going to start adding some copper elements to the tablescape. My grandmother gave me these two wooden spools from a long time ago, and I thought those would look pretty on the scape. And of course, you know me and greenery, so I just had to add these two pots. Next, we're coming in with some black dishes, a simple linen napkin, and some more metal elements, this time in gold. Well friends, this just about wraps it up for this tablescape. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, bye!